Dev. Yeah, let me admit others, please. Amin Shafiq. Amin, open inside, Amin. Amin Shafiq. Okay, Amin. Okay. Children, don't keep it through this. Okay, I want this activity to keep it safely with you because we will be collecting later. Let me ask the sir and we'll be collecting maybe by January or something. So you don't throw it out, keep it with you. Okay. Okay, Adigesh, Murali, sorry. Isha Fatima, where is the activity?
Ma'am, I did PowerPoint presentation.
Ah?
Ma'am, I did PowerPoint.
Okay. So bring it next class, okay? You have to complete
Ma'am,
it.
PowerPoint presentation I did. Ma'am, I did it. So can I send it to your email?
Okay, okay. Isha email. Okay. Those are sending through me email. Please tell me that. So I can mark that. Lynette, okay. I have ticked yours. Yes. Next, who can? Open can inside. Yeah, good, good can. Keep it down. Anjana, okay. Anjana. Okay, Anjana, good. Irene, open Irene inside. Okay. Lakshmi, okay. Albert Lyson, good, good. Albert, keep it down. Nivedya, inside Nivedya, okay, okay, Nivedya. Pooja Menon, good, okay, good. See, all of you have something. I'm very happy. Okay, Pooja. Tamanna, Ansil. Okay. Benedict Jojo,
Ma'am,
what
ma'am,
happened to you? Okay. Open inside, Benedict. Okay, okay, Benedict. Yeah. Kenny, Sava, Nivedya, Irene. Salim, on your video, Salim.
No, I didn't do.
Salim,
Yes, ma'am.
show your activity.
Ma'am, I didn't do.
Huh? What did you say? Little louder, my dear.
Ma'am, I didn't do.
Why you did not do? You're supposed to do it now. So by tomorrow morning, you have to send it in my mail. Okay, I have already given in the mail, or at least click the photo and send it to me. Okay, Salim. See, majority, I have already told you to bring it on the next day when the school reopens. Yeah. Isha will be sent in mail. Who else is there? Mohammed Salim is over, Albert is over, Lakshmi is over. Who is this one? Amaljit baby? Yeah, Amras. What about your activity, Amras? So far, 16 students have told me that you brought. What about others? Amras. Amras, don't put this kind of picture. I want your video there. I don't want this double picture on your video post. Okay. That's not the, it is a school. You have to give me the things like school. Remove that. Remove the video picture. I hope you are listening to me. Adelio, Amras is not responding.
yes, ma'am.
What about your activity,
Yes, ma'am.
Adelio?
Remember.
Did not do. So do it today and
Remember.
send it by tomorrow. Okay,
No,
Adelio.
I done. I done.
Open inside, Adelio. Open. Inside. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Abhiram Krishna, what about you? Abhiram is not answering. Abhiram Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you did you bring your activity? Did you complete your activity, my dear? Forgot. Okay. I know you forgot. So today itself you complete and send it through WhatsApp. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Anaswara Rajesh, on your video, please. Lakshmi Nandakumar, what about your activity? Open. Okay, Lakshmi, good. Abid, what about your activity, Abid?
Ma'am, I didn't do.
You didn't do. Today itself do it. Okay, then only you go to sleep. And tomorrow morning I wanted in my WhatsApp. Okay. So those are absent. Henin Nazla, what about your activity, Henin?
Ma'am, I didn't do.
I didn't do. So tonight, do it and sleep. Then only send it by tomorrow. Okay. Amras, you did not respond me early. Now tell me what about your activity?
Ma'am, I didn't do.
Do it. Do it today itself. Send it through WhatsApp. Okay. Anaswara Rajesh, on your video, please. Anjana. Anjana, Anaswara, on your video, please. Anjana, what about your activity, Anjana?
Ma'am, I done.
So do it today. Tomorrow I wanted in my WhatsApp, okay? Yeah, you did it. Good. Okay. Anjana. Okay, Anjana. Anaswara Rajesh, I'm telling you many times to on your video and come to me. Otherwise, send in WhatsApp. Your activity. Okay. So I think only this many students today. Out of 40. How many are you? 36 or 37? Only 23, 24 students. Yeah, 28 are there. Okay. So rest of the students, tonight I am giving you, send it through WhatsApp. Because now majority, half of the class has given me. So others send it through WhatsApp. Then I can go through it. Okay. Those who do not submit today, send it through the WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, children. So did we start the chapter friction?
Yes,
Because we
ma'am.
have to finish the portion. I don't have time to waste. Did we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sridev. Can you tell me what do you mean by friction, Sridev?
Friction is the force acting between two objects.
Yeah. Okay. Lakshmi, tell me one of the factor which is affecting friction.
The nature of the surface.
Okay. How does the nature of the surface affect it? Yes.
Some rougher the surface, the friction. The smoother the surface, less the friction.
Okay. Yeah. So I think some of you have forgotten. That's why I'm making you to say. Okay. Tell me, Nivedya, another factor which is affecting the friction. Can you tell me?
Ma'am, irregularities of the surface.
Okay. Adad Murali, how the irregularities of surface affect the friction?
Ma'am, the surface which has more irregularities such as potholes, broken tiles, floor, etc., the friction will be more or vice versa.
Okay, good. Lakshmi CV, what is another factor?
Ma'am, mass of the object in contact.
Okay. Lynette, how does the mass of the object affect the friction?
Ma'am,
Tell me, how does mass of the object affect the friction?
ma'am, can you repeat?
Mass of the object, how does it affect friction? Or heavier objects, how does it affect?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
You can hear? Okay, Sridev, can you just tell loud because sound may not be reaching to. Sridev, tell the same question to Lynette, please.
What is the mass of objects in contact? What is the meaning of that? Explain that point.
Did you get Lynette? Yeah, no problem. Lynette, what's the problem? You are not able to listen Sridev. He also told me the same question. I think her audio has some problem. Vaishnavi, tell me, how does mass of the object affect the friction?
Ma'am, heavier the object, more the friction.
Huh?
Heavier the object, more the friction.
Okay. Heavier objects have more friction. Okay. So we have completed that factors affecting friction. I hope so. So we are now moving on to next session. So all the factors, types of friction. Okay. Next one is we are moving on to types of friction. Same friction, but depending upon the situation, it has been divided into 4. Okay, into 4. The first type is known as static friction. Static friction. That means the frictional force that comes into play until an object starts moving. That means, for example, all of you now you are sitting in your own place, correct? Suppose I tell Vaishnavi to get up and go. The moment I call Vaishnavi to get up, that is the time the friction between your body and the table. It will try to oppose your movement. So in that position, we call it as a static friction. Everything is friction. Friction is same, but depending upon our motion, position, we call it as different type of friction. So static friction means the moment an object starts moving, before moving, the frictional force which experience in order to oppose that motion, that is known as static friction. So if you want to get up, actually what you do without your knowledge, you are actually is overcoming that friction by your muscular force. Okay, by your muscular force, you are overcoming that frictional force. That is what you are able to get up. So that is static friction. The frictional force that comes into play until an object starts moving. I think already I sent you the notes. Hope you must be completing it. So I am not insisting you to write entire notes within one day. So you got all these days. Hope you completed. Clear? Okay. So next one is sliding friction. Second one, sliding. From this word itself, you know, skating. Skating, actually we are doing a sliding. Ice sliding. The people, those who do the sliding on ice skating, we have. Sledge, SLED, sledge. All this sliding friction. So what is this sliding friction means? You already know that. Suppose I take this book, okay. I just keep this book little tilted like that, and I make this pencil to move. You know that it start falling down faster. That means sliding friction is less than static friction. Okay. If I keep like this, you know how much I shake also, this pencil has no movement. So static friction is stronger. But the moment I started tilting it, I don't have to apply the force. This one starts sliding it. Okay, see. So this is sliding. That is before it's sliding, if the frictional force which is telling, so it is sliding this way, but frictional force try to pull this pencil in this direction. So that is known as sliding friction. The friction between this diary and the pencil. Okay. But you know that it is moving faster only because sliding friction is less than static friction. Okay. So that is the second type of sliding friction. Second type of friction. Friction comes into play, that means started acting whenever an object moves along the surface. Whenever an object moves along the surface of another object, the sliding friction come to an object. Okay. Such movement is called slide. So, sliding friction is the opposes the movement of slide of an object. So, it's clear to you. I don't have to explain much more. Next one is rolling friction. Okay. Rolling friction, very clear example in a daily life. Football. Okay. When you play the football, you just apply the ball started rolling. And rolling is faster than sliding. Correct. Rolling is faster than sliding because it has got least friction. It is the least friction. Rolling friction means least friction. That means the football and that field has very less frictional force between the football and the football field. That's why the football starts rolling. After some time only it stops. We cannot stop the football at once unless you apply a muscular force to stop it. Clear? And you know it. When someone is kick the football, you try to block that football with your feet. You will get pain. That's why we are wearing the shoes. Correct? So, friction is there. But rolling friction, it experiences less friction. So, that is it. So, from this, what we understand means, the highest friction among is static friction. Okay. So, static friction is greater than sliding friction. Static friction greater than static friction is greater than sliding friction and greater than rolling friction. From this what we understand, the static friction is the greatest friction or more friction and least friction is rolling friction. So there is in your textbook why sliding friction is less than the static friction. It is because sliding and rolling friction we are getting a less time to interlock, because I also taught you one of the factor of effective friction is interlocking time. So the pencil which rolled on the book and the football, they are not getting enough time to interlock one another. Okay, so interlocking time is less, that's why they are very less. Okay, now that is the types of friction. Another one is fluid friction. Fluid friction, from the word itself, what do you mean by fluid? I have taught you in the first chapter, fluid.
Ma'am, gases and water mixed together, it
Yes,
will be
correct.
fluid.
Gases and liquids. Oh, where it is gone? Where? It went up, I think. So fluid friction, it's very clear that it is a friction experienced by the object in the fluid. It is the friction experience. It is the friction. It is the friction experienced by the objects in fluids. That means, suppose an aeroplane, fluids means gases plus liquids. Gases plus liquids, correct? So, it is the friction experienced by the objects in fluids. That means, suppose an aeroplane is flying. Suppose an aeroplane is flying. Just roughly, I don't know how to draw it. So, if an aeroplane is flying, under the aeroplane and over the aeroplane, in everywhere it is surrounded by the air. Okay, so if aeroplane is flying in this direction, this air tried to pull the aeroplane in the back. Okay, so that is the frictional force experience. But with the help of the chemical energy, the fuel energy, aeroplane can fly above. Now, depending upon the situation, this friction, we give a different name. So, in air, the frictional force is known as viscous drag. Same frictional force in air, we call it as viscous drag or air resistance. Both are same. Air resistance or drag force correct. So there are three names. We call the frictional force in air viscous drag or air resistance or drag force. So all are same, but why we call, since it is the frictional force experience in air or gases, whatever it may be. Clear? Balloon. You know the balloon. When you release the balloon will not go fast. It will move this side, that side, and slowly it will go. Why? When balloon is rising above, the air is trying to pull it down. Okay, so there's an air resistor experience by balloon. That is the theory behind the flow of balloon. Clear? That flying of balloon is because of the frictional force. If there is no frictional force, you release the balloon. Within like a bomb blast, like a bomb or like a rocket, the balloon will disappear in the space. But because of the frictional force, you can see the balloon is flying slowly until it disappears from our eye. You can see the balloon. Okay. If there is no frictional force, you release the balloon, you never see it again. Okay. So that is the reason. Parachute, the working of parachute. These are application of air resistance. Parachute, aeroplane. Then we have glider. You know the gliding in the air. We have a winter game, correct? In winter game, we enjoy in the seashore, gliding. Yeah. So these all are application of this air resistance or fluid friction. Okay. Yeah. So now, what is about? So we are coming to frictional more. Similarly, in liquids also, sea, river, water, everywhere, it also experience a resistance. And in liquids, the frictional force we call another name, that is known as viscosity. So viscosity is the name of frictional force in liquids. Viscosity. So when you go to +1, you will be studying what is viscosity and all detail. But here now we have only just naming. Okay. So in the solid, we call it frictional force. In gases and air, we call it viscous drag force, air resistance, all that. And in liquids, so this is the main thing for the dolphin. You know, dolphin, any fish can come on the surface of the sea. They can move, they can go down, up, down, all these things because of the frictional force exerted by the sea water or river water. So all this exerted, when the fish is moving forward, the water will try to pull it backward. And you must have experienced this. You know, you must have experienced when you go to speed launch in the speedboat. If you go to speedboat, look at the back of the speedboat. What is that? You remember the formation of the water in the sea. If the boat is moving, in the end part of the boat, if you look at the water will be forming this kind of a curly. Have you ever experienced? This is the boat. Boat is moving forward, but behind the boat, the water has formed one kind of a curly structure. Have you ever observed that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. So what is this? We call this shape is known as streamline. Okay. We call this as streamline. Why this water is forming in a particular shape? Because of the frictional force. So this water is trying to pull this boat backward. That is why the water has formed a particular streamline, curly type of a structure. Okay, so when you look at here, we just see, oh, what a nice to see, the water is just coming, gushing like that, but it is because of the frictional force. So in air, frictional force is not visible to us. We only feel it. We only feel it in air when the balloon is moving slowly, or the shawl in between when you walk and all. When breeze comes, the shawl start flying because of the frictional force of the air. Okay, because it is lighter. I may not fly. I may fly if it is a cyclone and all this comes, but our clothes, shirt, all that is flight in the air because of the frictional force. While you move, the air, the movement of air is trying to pull you backward. That is why our shawl and everything is flying in the breeze and all that things. Okay, so that is feeling. It's a feeling. Similarly, in the water, we don't feel it. If you look at the water, behind the boat, the speed launch is the one, because speedboat is moving very fast, no? So the frictional force to resist that, it takes a lot of that curly type of shape. So that is known as streamline shape. So that is about fluid friction. And we are moving on to last under this fluid friction, the factors affecting fluid friction. It is also affected by certain factors. Okay. Okay. Oh, this color is too much. I'll give another. Okay. Yeah. So these are the factors which is even the, I know some of you may be swimmers. You see, why do you put your hands in, swimming, you put the hands in forward and push the water backward. Actually, what are you doing that? Huh? Actually, that's as swimming, your hands are moving like this. Actually, what is that? Actually, you are overcoming the frictional force of the water. Whether backstroke or butterfly stroke, or which is, so many different types of movement is there. Backstroke, butterfly stroke, all that. So everywhere we use two things, our two legs and two hands. Actually, what are you doing? You are actually overcoming the friction in the water for you to move. Okay. And you know it that when you swim, you are using a special type of, if boys are there, they don't wear the shirts or anything. Girls have a special type of swimsuit. We don't put our what you call jeans and shirt and you start swimming, correct? We have to change our costume in order to swim. And if you go for a swimming race, you have to be lighter. Then only we can move forward. So why we make ourselves lighter? By removing your clothes, wearing very less clothes. The reason is that you have to overcome the frictional force of the water. Then only you can move. Why? You are not a machine. You are not a ship. You are not a fish. Fish and all, by nature, they got a particular character to swim it. But we human beings supposed to live on land. That is what God created. But we started flying, we started traveling in the water. So our body mechanism is not opted for water level or air levels life. But by science, we started overcoming that natural defects by using this kind of external fittings. Okay, so I already told you mass, heavier the body, more is the friction. So if lesser your mass, your friction will be less. So that's why we are wearing a special type of swimsuit and everything in order to swim it. Okay, children? So what is the first factor affecting the friction? One is shape of the object. So shape of the object is very important. Okay. So when you are a human being, you not only experience, when you are a human being, you are not only experiencing the friction outside. We also have internal friction, okay, and also external friction. So we only talk about external friction. External friction means the fluid, try to block you, okay. So that you don't go for that further internal friction, don't go to that one. We go to a simple friction, that is outside. So first one is speed of the object, shape is later. So shape, okay, I have already told shape of the object. So you can write, no problem. Shape of the object. So you can see the different pictures I have given. Different pictures. Yeah. There's a peculiar feature for each and every picture here. Means there is some what we call similarities. Can you tell me that similarities? Anyone? What is the similarities of all these shapes in that? Anyone? Vaishnavi? I cannot see anyone. Okay. Tom Joss, can you tell me what is that similarities in all the pictures? I have showed you a aeroplane, fish, bird, and a glider. Can you tell me some similarities in the shape of this? It's not pakka, huh? How are they? The front part of all this, bird, fish. Okay, so gliding is something is different, but still, that bird, fish, and aeroplane. How they? They are very sharp. Correct. They are pointed. Okay, and this shape is known as streamlined shape. Streamlined shape. Streamlined. STREAMLINED. Actually, we human beings starts making the ships and the aeroplane by looking at the shape of the bird and fish. Okay. So you never see an aeroplane in the square. You never see an aeroplane in the full circle. Correct? Why? Every aeroplane has a, the bird also has a beak pointed. Ship has a pointed structure in front and back. So all these are enabled to reduce the friction. So that is shape of the object. So if the shape of the object is streamlined, the friction will be less. Okay. And another one I already told you, speed of the object. For speedboat, I know speedboat move faster because it overcome friction. Okay. So as the speed increases, friction also increases. That's why the water is forming a particular thing. So speed of the object. As the speed of the object increases, friction also increases. Third factor, that is the last factor, is nature of the fluid. What type of fluid? You see, suppose an oil is fallen, oil tank or something is fallen on the ship. The life in that marine species all will die. They cannot live it. Similarly, we human beings cannot have a swim in the sea. Suppose the sea is full of oil. Why? Because oil has more viscosity. It has more resistance than water. Water you can swim easily, but in oil you cannot swim. Why? Because it has got more viscosity. Correct. So the nature of the fluid, its viscosity or its tendency to resist the flow. So nature of the fluid, viscosity or frictional forces fully depend upon what type of fluid is this. Okay. If the fluid has more density, the friction will be more. If the fluid has less density, friction will be less. Okay. So these are the three factors. So today we are winding up the session. So three factors of the fluid friction is shape, nature, and speed. Okay. I think it's time up, children. So we are going to wind up the session.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, should we learn external friction and internal friction?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Lakshmi.
Lakshmi, can you just type in the WhatsApp, because here screen, I cannot hear you through microphone. I can hear you from the PC. When the PC comes now, a lot of echo. Can you just type it faster? Type it. Very difficult. I am